Infiniti was born to challenge conventions. We create rewarding luxury experiences for those who dare to be different. Experiences that extend beyond the car. Experiences for all senses. To elevate our experience, we added a new dimension, a signature sound that represents us. A striking, yet tranquil sound that embodies Infiniti's fusion of power and serenity. We drew inspiration from our rich Japanese heritage and brought this fusion to life by using two instruments. The TAIKO drum, distinctively Japanese, it embodies human performance and power. Combined with the Japanese wind chime, the furin, an instrument only played by the wind. A delicate sound representing serenity. The human experience is at the center of everything we do, so naturally, our signature sound is centered around the human voice. The soothing female vocal speaks to our philosophy that power is not about loudness, but a sense of inner confidence. We created a musical hook, leveraging inspiration from the Japanese concept of ma, where the pause between the notes is as important as the notes themselves. The delicate balance of TAIKO, furin, and the human voice brings to life our signature sound. Welcome to Infiniti's Moment of Tranquility.